Hey, DIY enthusiasts! Get ready to be amazed, because today I'm sharing 22 mind-blowing plastic bottle hacks that you absolutely need to try in 2024. These clever and practical ideas will not only help you reduce plastic waste, but also make everyday tasks easier and more fun. Let's dive right in. First up, the self-watering planter. Just cut a bottle in half, add soil to the top half, and flip it upside down into the base filled with water. It's a perfect way to keep your plants hydrated without constant watering. Next, a phone holder for charging. Cut a bottle's side to fit your phone, hang it near the outlet, and voila! Your cords stay neat and organized. How about a bird feeder? Punch holes to insert spoons or sticks, fill it with bird seeds and hang it outside. Your feathered friends will thank you. Create a mini greenhouse by using a bottle as a cover over seedlings. It traps humidity and speeds up growth, perfect for your budding garden. For those with limited space, a vertical garden is a game changer. Stack multiple bottles with holes in the bottom, and you've got a space-saving vertical garden. Need a kitchen funnel? Simply cut off the bottle's top and use it for liquids or dry ingredients. Easy peasy. Make a toothbrush holder by cutting and decorating a bottle. It's sturdy, water-resistant, and adds a personal touch to your bathroom. A hanging organizer is a neat idea too. Use bottle bottoms, paint them, and attach to a board for storing pens, tools, or art supplies. Keep your cables organized by cutting rings from bottles. Wrap your cords around them to prevent tangling. Create a DIY lantern by wrapping LED lights inside a bottle. Instant lantern effect. A mini trash can is super handy. Keep a small bottle in your car or workspace for disposable items. For your garden, make a sprinkler system. Punch holes in a bottle, attach it to a hose, and you've got a DIY sprinkler. Floating candle holder. Yes, please. Cut a bottle in half, fill it with water, and add a floating candle for ambient lighting. Organize your hair accessories by storing hair ties, pins, or clips in cut and decorated bottle bases. Make an eco-friendly soap dispenser by attaching a pump to a bottle top. For shower organization, hang bottles to hold shampoo, conditioner, or body wash neatly. Shape the bottle's bottom to create a storage scooper for dog food, flour, or grains. Need a DIY broom? Cut strips into a bottle, flatten it, and attach to a handle. Perfect for small cleanups. Turn a bottle cap into a salt shaker by making small holes in it. Use a bottle as an ice pack mold by filling it with water and freezing it. Diffuse light by covering a light source with a clear bottle. It spreads and softens the light in the room. And finally, attach a bottle with a narrow opening to a vacuum cleaner for a mini vacuum. There you have it. 22 incredible plastic bottles